Uh-huh. Look what showed up in the mail today. I was afraid because my sister just said they just showed up with my address like sharpied in on the side. They were legit. They sent the thing right here. It has my official. Comes with letters and stuff, receipts. Man, oh man. So these are IPS monitors. They're regularly $129.99. Black Friday was $60 each. So it came to after, even though it's free shipping, the tax and the California recycling fee, it came to $140. But two IPS monitors, they're only like 21.5 inches, but hey, it's better than nothing. Now I just need to find a splitter or something to get these things to work. All right, man, I need to get I need to get a splitter to get these guys to work together. So, not bad, you know. The monitor I originally wanted, it was on sale for $129.99. But basically one monitor, 127-inch monitor, would have cost the amount of these two. So, you know what? I went with the smaller one, the double smaller one. Got more real estate lengthwise. So yeah, holy crap, I think this Black Friday I've spent all in all, I don't even know, bruh. I don't even know. Probably like $500+. So maybe not the wisest decision, but hey, maybe it is. Alright. Okay, and it has some directions here. I think it's just some hieroglyphics to let you know how to take it out properly. Okay, so those hieroglyphics mean it can go from -5 degrees forward to 23 degrees back. The stand is very simple. Yeah, there was this one and then there was this one versus another one. They looked exactly the same. The other one was $10 more. Same size, everything, except the only one only had DVI or VGA ports. So, yeah. But let me get some view. So a couple cords dropped out over off screen. Let me move my zoom. Cord, is this HDMI? They wouldn't come with, oh, no, DVI. Please tell me this isn't the DVI one. I think it could take, where's that VGA? Dude, I don't even remember anymore. VGA, so it comes with two VGA. That's where it has the two like things on the side and then like 15 dots. I'm guessing this is the mount. I'm gonna say I guessed correctly. Manuel and guaranteed a few things. This is the power converter, I guess. Oh, time to be very careful. I'm gonna take my ring off actually, because I don't want to scratch this thing up at all. It's only a $60 monitor. You know what? You can eat my ass. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, what the heck? This is 22 inches? That's bigger than anything I thought. Wow. Yeah, I would have thought this was 27 inches had you just told me, because I was trying to figure that earlier. I was like, how big is this? It says LED 22 on here, so I guess technically it would be considered 22, but on Best Buy it said 21.5. But holy crap. And like the sides, like there's nothing. I don't know if you can see that, like there's barely anything on the sides. Like just the slit, that's it. Not a huge, what is it, a bezel or something? It's called that. Alright. I guess I'm gonna set this one up before I move on to the next one. Ah, dang. This better be HD. Oh, let me check the ports really quick. On the back, Yep, it has a HDMI and a VGA port, so no DVI. So that's HDMI right here, and then that's VGA. For those of you who don't know. So it looks pretty simple. This is AOC, right? 12279VWHE. Whatever that means. This is like metal, but it's like hollow. So it's good. There's some rubber pads on the bottom. This is gonna be hard to do. I think I'm gonna leave the tape on for like a while, and once I invite someone over, I might take it off. I think the easiest way to do this is do it upside down like this, and then put this on. Oop. Yep, I just nicked it. Oh, I'm brilliant sometimes. And it comes with like a wing screw or something. Wing nut, whatever it's called. Okay, it kind of hooks in right here, so you gotta like pull it in like that. And besides that, it looks like it's good. Oh, you bend this little, I don't know if you can see it, hook thing. You bend it up so you can tighten it manually. Alright, that should be good enough. And that, there you go. I decided for the price, like, when are you ever gonna find IPS? For those of you who don't know, for those of you who do, congratulations. I bet your mom's really proud that you know what IPS is, but for the rest of us who have to learn it at some point in our lives, who aren't blessed with knowing it immediately, an IPS monitor means that you can bend it like that. You ever have a laptop and then you bend it and the colors change like that? That's a TN monitor. An IPS one is where you change it and that the colors are still like accurate. Because I had to learn the hard way, because my TACE podcast, that thing, originally the color in the image, it was supposed to be purple. I made it to be purple on my laptop, and then I send it to like Facebook, and I look on my phone, and guess what color it is? Not purple. It's freaking like hot pink. You know what? I'm gonna save these and use these as dust covers, like the ghetto thing I did with my monitors. I'm gonna do that for these too. What does it say here? Do not rip off parafilm. Huh? Oh, there's a film over it. You're not allowed to rip it. Huh. Good to know. I might have tried that. This is them right here. 21 inches, but you know what? That's big enough for me. Dang, so those I need to get onto here. Wish me luck. Alright. So for right now, I'm probably only going to be able to use one until I get a splitter. I want a splitter for that one, the two monitors, and this TV, so a three-way splitter. I don't know if those exist. It's gotta, right? It's gotta. So anyway, enjoy the time lapse while I try to figure this stuff out.
Cause she's so fine, she probably never heard about her. She's all mine, she probably never heard about her. She's so fine, she probably never heard about my hipster girl, my hipster girl. She's so fine, but you probably never heard about her. She's all mine, she probably never heard about her. She's so fine.
Now I gotta go find an HDMI cable.
She wears some sort of face hook, and she never really wanna go to jam. So, oh Lord, got rid of her Facebook, and now she picking up the slack on the gram.
So, these are my monitors. Bad news is I couldn't manage to get, I didn't know this, but anybody who doesn't know, you can't daisy chain monitors, or at least these ones. So what I decided to do at the end of the day was just put one here when I want to sit down in that chair, and when I want to, not fall asleep, I stand here by this one, and I just put my laptop right here, and then plug it into that one. I'm doing it HDMI, comes with the DVI cords, but my laptop doesn't have DVI cords, and they suck a lot. Anyway, if you guys want, I will tell you how there is a way to actually connect these two. You can do it just with one HDMI and one USB, but it's not really good quality, or the other way is a little more expensive. But besides that, have a nice day. I don't know if many people have bought it or whatever, but anyway, let's get into it. Let's start reviewing or unboxing. Padding right here, so it's good. Oh yeah, padding. There's padding on it. Other side, back. There's a lot on the back. And then